Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix account warning problem on TikTok. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open TikTok application. Once you open TikTok application, you simply need to click on profile picture in the right bottom corner, and then you need to click on three bars in the top right and go into the settings and privacy. Here you need to scroll down and here you have an option that is support report a problem. So click on that option, and once you click on that option you will find plenty of different options here. So you need to select and here you can see a option that is submit a report. Click on that option. So here you have tell us your feedback. Here you can mention TikTok that I receive a warning because of a content that is not appropriate for TikTok, and you can also attach a screenshot of warning and click on submit, and the TikTok team will contact you in 24 to 48 hours and your issue will be resolved. So this is the process by which you can fix TikTok warning problem. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.